land. Over the time, it's actually grown because Galen was a little bit above forecasting. We bought 10 acres next to us, which gave us the ability to expand, and then another 4.5 acres. Because when we came here, Barry Grimno was our first customer in 1988 that bought a car here.
All right, Barry.
Can you help me? I'll park the cars over here in this lot. But anyway, I tell that little story. But you know, the reason why we're here really is because of all of you. Your customers. A lot of the people in the crowd are actually the people that built this, but they buy cars and trucks from Mullinax Ford over the last 25 years. Over the last 25 years, we will sell this year. We'll cross over 120,000 sales in Apopka, Florida. We serve and service about 2,300 people a month. All because we've been able to grow with the community, you know, and we really believe that's one of the tenets of a brand, that we're a big part of the community. So I want to thank you this evening. It's been a great run. I mean, we all had the vision. Jerry had the vision. We first built the quick lane. Now we're building this. And this is a testimony. We couldn't have done it without our customers, and we particularly without our employees. So I thank everybody for coming out this evening and being part of this momentous occasion. Thank you.
So, thank you all. And I'm Jerry Mullinax. I'll make it really quick. So we're receiving the award for Ford Motor Company. We're going to do that first because this is like the recognizing where we've been, and then we're going to cut the ribbon, and that's like for where we're going. All right. So anyway, I don't know, Will or Brian, who's doing the talking here, if any. Go ahead, Will.
Yeah. Well, it's been an honor to get to know you here over the last 6 months. I know you've been in the business for a long time, and you've made a lot of customers for life here at Mullinax Ford, and this 25 years is awesome to see. And congratulations.
Thank you. So, Brian, get in here.
We're both from here to last year. That's the only reason I was invited to come up here. Beyond the 25 years, your family has been part of Ford's history. Your father and everything he did, the father of one price selling, everything your brother has done, we can't thank you enough.
Thank you.
It's not just about this store, it's about all the stores, and it's about the personal relationship you have with Ford and the partnership, and we can't thank you enough. 25 years, just the beginning. Here's another 25.
All right.
Thanks,
Thank you. Thank you. All right. 2, 3. Yay! So, really quick, the customers that are here, you're our very best customers. I really appreciate all the customers that are here have bought 3 vehicles from us, or have bought 2 in the last 5 years. So thank you so much. That's to the customers, first of all. And then thank you all for the people from the city helping us get this put together and everything. And anyway, got the Ford people here. Thank you. Without you, we wouldn't be here. And at the chamber, we appreciate all your support. All right. So inside here in the shop, we've got music, and we have food from 3 different Apopka restaurants. Small plates, grab some food in there. And anyway, thank you all for coming out. I appreciate it very much. So, thank you. All right.